Canlaon City is indeed known for its natural beauty and picturesque landscapes. Located in the province of Negros Oriental in the Philippines, Canlaon City is nestled at the foot of Mount Canlaon, an active stratovolcano and the highest peak in Negros Island. Here are some of the natural attractions and beauty that Canlaon City has to offer. The majestic Mount Canlaon is a prominent feature of the city's landscape. It stands at around 2,465 meters, 8,087 feet, and is a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The mountain offers breathtaking views, lush forests, and unique flora and fauna.